Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build interactive information tabs that you see in the reference store like this. Now let's take a closer look at this section. At the very top, we have a bold heading and a short paragraph explaining the product right underneath. Just below the header text, we have the navigation. This is a horizontal row of pill-shaped buttons for different moments. Then we have the bottom section, which is a two-column layout that changes based on the tab you click, with the large image on the left side and a heading and description that match the image. So we want this layout structure section for your store, and we need to head over to Smind Library and find a section template that matches this exact layout. To begin, open the Smind Sections app from your Shopify store's admin dashboard. Click on Sections in the app's left-hand menu and select the Information tabs category to filter the options. And I see the Information tab's 1-1 design that looks exactly like the section we're going to find. And click the Install button on its card preview and click Customize, and you'll be redirected to the Shopify theme editor. Now that you are inside the theme editor, scroll down your page sidebar and click Add Section. Go ahead and search for Information tabs 1-1 in the search bar and click it to add the section to your page. Next, click on the main section to open its general settings. Then customize the text by replacing the default text in the heading and description fields with your own main title. After the text is set, adjust the desktop media width to small, and don't forget to change the heading alignment to the left side. Then, under the media settings, you have to change the desktop media position to the left side, just like the reference site. After that, I'm going to adjust the width as needed for your design. Now we will build out the actual tabs. Click on the first image tab block located right below the main section in the left sidebar. Start by updating the title field to change the name of the tab itself. For example, you could name it Morning. Next, click Select Image to upload a specific photo for this tab. Once the image is attached, scroll down within the block settings to paste in your specific heading and description text for that tab. Then you can also change the heading size if you want. I think we don't need a call to action here. Simply delete the default text inside the button label field to hide the default button if you don't want it to display. And I also delete the default image block that I don't need. To save a lot of time on your remaining tabs, hover over your completed image tab block in the left sidebar and click the duplicate icon to quickly create your next tab with the same formatting. Then just click into the newly duplicated block and swap out the title, image, heading, and description for your second topic. So you have to repeat the update process until you have all the tabs you need for your section. To make sure this matches your brand identity, click back onto the main Information tab's 1-1 section in the sidebar and scroll down to the Colors block settings. Click the background color swatch and pick a new color to match your store's branding. Before we finish, toggle between the desktop and mobile icons to ensure your new section looks great on all screen sizes. Always test your new section by clicking through the tabs in the main preview window to ensure the images and text change correctly. If everything looks perfect, click the Save button in the top right corner of the screen to lock in your work. And thanks for watching our video tutorial, and see you at the next one.